Hello guys, welcome to my testnet series. Today I'll be taking us through how to add a MetaMask or any form of wallet to our Chrome application, and also how to add different networks on those on MetaMask especially. So the first thing to do is to go to your Chrome. So you come here, these three dots, click on more tools and click on extension. So this will show you different extensions that you have. So currently I have all these extensions that I use for my work and also trading. So I have MetaMask installed, I have Phantom installed. So if you don't have these two installed, so most likely you just have like a blank page here. So you come here, open Chrome web store. So then you can now start searching. So you, for MetaMask, you search for MetaMask. So already you have like a suggestion. So you can see you have just two, and this is like the, so just be careful when downloading these apps. So you can also check the number of downloads, the rating. So here you can see over 2,000 people rated this app, and it will have more downloads. So you can just check the review, see. So people are saying different things about this. So just to know more about the credibility of the extension, because this is what you'll be keeping your assets in. So these are also like similar applications. We have the Terra station, the Coin98, which will most likely be working with later in this series. But for now, let's download our MetaMask. So I'll just search again, MetaMask. So once you have it, so normally you should have like install button here. And once you click on install button, it will install and you have it. So then you'll be required to like set up. So to set up, you just need to come here. So you create a new account. You can test, you can just put the name demo, and there you have it. So it's straightforward now because I have like an account already. So normally you should see create new accounts, then you will be given like a key phrase which you have to keep well, because that's like your password. So if you need to log in on any other computer or mobile, you need to use those passwords. You need to keep them safe. People, so if I have them, I can access your wallet, withdraw your assets. So that's how safe you should like how important it is to keep them safe, so that people won't come and go away with your assets. So I'll delete this account later because I don't need this. So moving forward, so we've seen how one can actually create a MetaMask wallet. So once you've created your MetaMask wallet, you have something similar here. But now for the testnet airdrops, we'll be working on different networks. So that means we need to add more networks here. So currently I have just Ethereum network. So how to add your network? So you just need to do come to chainlist.org. So when you come to chainlist.org, this has virtually all networks and you can actually add them. So so let's say you wanted to add a BSC network. So this is BSC mainnet. So you just come here, connect wallets. So I have two accounts here. So I'll just use my demo account. You connect, and there you have it. So if you come back here now, and try to, let me just try again. Normally it should switch me to BSC. Yeah, exactly. So can you see? I have Ethereum, I have BSC, mainnet. So now, but for our use case, we want to use testnet. So that means, so now that I've activated this testnet button, I can see different testnets. So let me just type the word testnet. So can you see there's Ethereum testnet, Metadium. So these are different testnets that we'll be working with. So in my next YouTube video, you'll see how we would go ahead and transact, add a new testnet to our MetaMask, use this application and learn, and hopefully they will airdrop and we can also earn from that. Thanks, guys.